Rakuten's point system is a powerful tool for earning rewards on everyday purchases, whether you're shopping online, in store, or even booking travel. So how does it work? So Rakuten Point is basically like a reward system, right? And there's two primary ways you can get your reward. First off, cashback. You can earn a percentage of your purchase amount back in cash. And the second one is an American Express membership reward point. So you can opt to receive points instead of cashback at a conversion rate of $1 cashback at 100 membership reward points. What are the tips and tricks on how you can maximize this, right? So the first one, utilize the Rakuten browser extension. Install the Rakuten Cashback button for Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. This extension allows you when you're participating in retailer's site and allows you to activate cashback offers with a single click. The second one, shop through promotional events. Rakuten frequently offers limited time promotional with increased cashback rates, especially during major shopping events like Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Keep an eye on these events to maximize your rewards. The third one, stack rewards with credit card offers. Combine Rakuten's cashback or points with your regular reward program. For instance, using an Amex card that earns membership rewards point, then double your benefits when shopping through Rakuten. Fourth one, activate in-store offers. Rakuten isn't limited to online shopping. You can earn rewards in physical stores by linking your credit card to your Rakuten account and activating it in-store offer before making a purchase. Fifth one, and the final one, refer family and friends. Rakuten's family program offers bonuses when someone signs up using your referral link and make qualifying purchases. Both you and your referral can earn rewards through this program.